say, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Five little sharks went off to school, splashy fins and acting cool. Teacher said sit down in line, but one swam off, it wasn't fine.
Johnny, 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 dive! Four little sharks began to play, hiding crayons right away. Teacher frowned, that's not the rule.
One got caught, oh silly fool.
Johnny, 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 dive!
Three little sharks with cheeky grins, throwing paper in the bins. Teacher sighed,
You know that's wrong.
one swam out with a silly song.
Johnny, 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 dive! Two little sharks made lots of noise, splashing water, losing toys. Teacher called, come back, don't stray.
One swam off and swished away.
Johnny, 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 dive!
One little shark all on his own, wishing he had friends at home.
Teacher said, now don't you pout.
Time to learn, no fooling about. All five sharks came swimming back, ready to learn and stay on track. They laughed, they played, but learned the rule.
Mischief's fun, but listen in school.